Sure, here are 5 healthy diet food recipes and how they can benefit your health. 1. Grilled salmon with avocado salsa. This recipe is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve heart health and reduce inflammation. The avocado salsa is also a good source of healthy fats and can help reduce cholesterol levels. 2. Quinoa and black bean salad. This recipe is packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Quinoa is a high-quality protein source that can help you feel full and satisfied, while black beans provide fiber and antioxidants that can support gut health and reduce inflammation. 3. Mixed berry smoothie bowl. This recipe is a delicious way to get your daily dose of fruit and antioxidants. Berries are a great source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that can support immune function and reduce inflammation. 4. Roasted vegetables with chickpeas. This recipe is a great way to increase your vegetable and fiber intake. Vegetables are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while chickpeas provide protein and fiber to support satiety and gut health. 5. Greek yogurt parfait. This recipe is a nutritious and delicious way to start your day. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics that can support gut health, while the fruit and nuts provide fiber and antioxidants to support overall health. Overall, incorporating these healthy recipes into your diet can support your overall health and well-being by providing important nutrients and reducing inflammation.